Hi everyone, hello friends, welcome back to another new video from Chef Joji. Today's video is all about making Kerala-style bitter lemon pickle. To begin, I've taken a large bitter lemon for the pickle. Let's start by removing its outer skin. Now the skin has been completely removed. Some people make pickles with the skin on, but when you do that, it often becomes too bitter. To reduce the bitterness, it's best to remove the peel completely. Next, I'm slicing it like this, and then cutting it into small pieces. Now all the lemons have been chopped and are ready. Transfer it to a bowl. Add about 3 teaspoons of salt to it. Mix it all well. Let this lemon rest in the salt for 8 to 10 hours. This helps improve the taste. Now let's prepare the spice mix needed for the pickle. I'm taking 3 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using a variety that has no strong heat, meaning non-spicy chili powder. Then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now to prepare the pickle, take a heavy-bottomed pan. Add oil. I'm using gingerly oil, which is traditionally used for pickles. Since this is a pickle, using a bit more oil is perfectly fine. I've added about 3/4 cup of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then add half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Now add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Then add 1½ tablespoons of finely sliced garlic and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Next, add a handful of bird's eye chilies. I've added about 1 tablespoon here. Sauté all of these together. Now everything has become nicely dry roasted. Add the chili powder and turmeric powder we set aside earlier. Roast everything on a low flame, stirring continuously. Now add about 1 teaspoon of asafoetida powder and 1 tablespoon of powdered jaggery. If you don't have powdered jaggery, you can add a small piece of regular jaggery. Mix everything well. To prevent the mixture from becoming too dry or sticking to the pan, add half a cup of water and mix again. Roast until it slightly thickens. Once done, turn off the heat. And then add the salted lemon pieces that we kept earlier. Now mix everything well to coat the lemon thoroughly. It's important not to cook the lemon after adding it. Boiling it can increase the bitterness, which is why we mix it in only after turning off the stove. Taste the pickle. If needed, add more salt or asafoetida at this stage. You can also sprinkle a small pinch of fenugreek powder on top. Give it a final mix. Now our bitter lemon pickle is ready. This is a very important traditional pickle, often served in Kerala feasts, especially during Onam Sadhya. I hope you all enjoyed this easy recipe. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you're visiting this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and follow the page. I'll be back soon with another exciting recipe. Until then, bye-bye.